the day I left home. Your shadow dances in the night where the marigolds grow. Every whisper burns like fire, every step's a ghost I know. You're the echo I can't let go. I see you in the candle's flame, every flicker calls your name. Give me that calavera kiss, paint your lips on bone. I've been dying just to feel you since the day I left home. Skeleton hands in a velvet glove, hold me tight, don't let me fade. Your eyes are wells of endless love, pulling me into the parade of souls who dance unafraid. Tell me, do the dead still dream of the living left behind? Or is love just a fragile gleam fading with the sands of